Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturail.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturail.it/actuary. And if you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students at Illinois State University, please go to smarturail.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam FM on financial mathematics. Mr. Hassan Wajimara has purchased his home for $187,500. He made a 20% down payment and borrowed 80% from the County Plantation Bank at 5% nominal annual interest rate compounded monthly. He had to pay 2 points, each point equals 1% of the loan amount, to obtain this low interest rate, as well as 1% of the loan amount for closing and loan origination costs at the time of the home purchase, and those amounts were just added to his loan outstanding balance. The loan is amortized over 30 years, and level monthly payments are made at the end of each month. There is a 2% penalty on any principal balance repaid early. At the end of the second year, Mr. Wajimara wins the Powerball lottery and becomes a multimillionaire. He decides to pay off his loan regardless of any penalties. Calculate the effective annual rate of return earned by the County Plantation Bank on their investment in Mr. Wajimara's loan. So Mr. Wajimara is borrowing 80% of $187,500, which is $150,000, and pays fees totaling 3% of $150,000, so $4,500, for a total of $154,500. This is, however, not the actual capital outlay by the County Plantation Bank, as they only put up $150,000. Note that the bank does not receive $4,500 in fees up front, but rather has that amount repaid over time with the loan payments. The bank receives for 2 years monthly payments of $154,500 divided by A angle 360 at 5% divided by 12, the effective monthly interest rate, and that's $829.39 approximately. A repayment of the loan balance of that payment amount times A angle 336, because 2 years, that's 24 payments. So if you take 24 payments away from 360, what is left is 336 payments at the interest rate of 5% divided by 12, monthly interest rate. So there are 336 months remaining. The interest rate per month is 5% divided by 12. The payment is that approximately $829.39, and the present value of all the future payments is that $829.39 times A angle 336 at 5% over 12, and that comes out to be approximately $149,824.50 after 2 years. And Mr. Wajimara has to pay a penalty of 2% of that amount, equal to $2,996.49 at the same time. So the bank invests $150,000 and receives $829.30 monthly for 2 years, and $152,820.99 at the end of those 2 years. Let J be the monthly effective interest rate corresponding to the effective annual rate of return we are looking for. Then we have $150,000, the outlay by the bank, equal to the present value of payments over 24 months at the monthly rate of return that we're looking for, of the monthly payments for 2 years of $829.39, plus discounted over 2 years, 24 months at the interest rate J, 152,820.99. And from this equation, using a financial calculator, we conclude that J is approximately 0.625797%, and this gives the annual effective interest rate of 1 plus that to the 12 minus 1, and that's approximately 7.77%, which is answer A. So I mentioned that you find the interest rate using a financial calculator. Here's what you do in BA2 Plus Pro Calculator to calculate that J. You put in 24 for N, negative 150,000 for present value, and 829.39 for payment, and 152,820.99 for future value. Or you switch these over and you switch the signs to minus, where you see plus now and plus into the other one for the minus. Then at the end you can compute CPT-IY, the internal rate of return or yield, and you get the J that we have here, and then you do the calculation of 1 plus J to the 12 minus 1, and that gives approximately 7.77% as the interest rate we're looking for. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to me, actually, not the Society of Actuaries this time. I came up with this problem. The solution is also mine, and all rights are reserved. The reproduction in whole or in part without express written permission from the author, so me, is strictly prohibited. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.